Staging and representation of discourse structure. Outline, introduction, key points, theme, thematic structure, thematization, types, functions, staging and representation, conclusion. Theme and thematic structure. First one is theme, the point of departure or starting point of clause. It represents what the clause is about or what is in focus. Usually occurs at the beginning of a clause or sentence. Theme, the part of sentence that contains new or additional information about the theme. Thematic structure, theme plus theme. The thematic structure provides a framework for information flow. Theme, notes, given, and theme is for example.
Silence.
The weather is getting colder. In this sentence, the weather is theme and it is getting colder is theme. Significance helps establish coherence in discourse by organizing information in a clear and predictable manner. Theme and thematic structure.
नीचे करो ना
Thematization. Thematization refers to the process of choosing one single phrase as a theme of clause or sentence. It is a way to structure information to highlight certain meanings, establish emphasis, or achieve rhetorical efforts. Types of thematization, unmarked thematization. The theme follows the natural subject, verb, object, SVO order in English. For example, the student completed their assignments. Marked thematization. The theme deviates from the natural order for emphasis, often involves fronting on a non-subject element such as an adverbial or object. Examples: yesterday I saw a movie. To the park they went. Natural order in discourse. The typical or default sequencing of sentence element usually subject verb object in English. For example, John is reading. In this sentence, John is a verb. John is subject. Verb is reading is verb and object is verb. Deviation from natural order. Natural order may be altered for stylistic or lexical reasons to foreground certain information to add emphasis or dramatic effect. Examples of deviated order. Natural order, the cat chased the mouse. Deviation, the mouse was chased by the cat. He won the race he won. Why deviation matters? Allows speaker writers to structure discourse strategically for impact, highlights specific parts of discourse to suit communicative goals. Staging and representation of discourse structure. Staging, the process of organizing and sequencing information in discourse into stages. Introduction represents the theme and establishes context. Development, progression, expand the theme and introduces new ideas. Closure concludes the discourse and ties up these ideas. Representation, visual or symbolic mapping of discourse structure. Linear representation, information flows from theme to theme. Hierarchical representation, thematic structure is layered and connected. Example of staging in a narrative. Orientation, once upon a time there was a brave knight. Complication, the knight faced a fierce dragon. Resolution, he defeated the dragon and saved the village. Interplay of themes, thematization, and natural order. How they work together. Theme introduces the focus, theme adds details or new information. Thematization adjusts natural order to emphasize specific points. Example, a natural order, the teacher clarity and cohesion helps guide audience focus, facilitates practical strategies, natural order ensures clarity but can be strategically adjusted for impact. Importance understanding these elements helps in analyzing and creating effective discourse discourse strategically adjusted for impact. Conclusion. Summary of key points. Theme is the starting point of clause. Read provides new information, thematic structure, organizes clauses for coherence. Schematization involves reordering elements to emphasize.
Okay. Next we come